paragraph. That is an extract from famous book Gulliver's Travels. In this paragraph there are some blanks. So fill in those blanks using the words given in the box. First write down these instructions and the words in the box. I think you have written the instructions and the words in the box. Now this is the paragraph. First of all, let's read that once. My travels began on May 4th, 1699. I said goodbye, blank, my wife and 2 children, and set sail, blank, whistle, as the ship's doctor bound, blank, the South Seas. All went on well for the first few weeks. Then there was a bad storm and the ship was wrecked. 6 blank, the crew of whom I was one got blank a little boat and began to row to an island nearby. Right. Now children, copy down this paragraph in your writing book. Before complete the paragraph, children, you have to read this again and find what are the easiest blanks you can fill. Then you can complete difficult ones. Now take some time and complete the blanks. Now children, I think you have enough time. First of all, again, we shall read this again. When you read, you have to find the easiest one. My travels began on May 4th, 1699. I said goodbye, my wife and 2 children, and set sail. I think you got that answer there. Goodbye to my wife and 2 children. Let's complete that first. To my wife and 2 children and set sail. These blanks are somewhat difficult for you, so leave them. Bristle, as the ship's doctor bound the South Seas. All went on well for the first few weeks. Then there was a bad storm and the ship was wrecked. 6 එතන ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කියද්දි මේනවා 6 of the crew of whom I was one. We shall complete that also. Got a little boat. There also you can complete that. Got into a little boat. And began to row to an island nearby. When you are completing this, when you find answers, you can cut them in the box. I believe that you have cut 2 of into. Now what are the rest of the words? There are 2 words. They are for and from. There we shall read again and complete them for the most suitable blank. I said goodbye to my wife and 2 children and set sail, blank, bristle, as the ship's doctor bound the South Seas. pencil as the ship's doctor bound for the South Seas. Now we shall read the whole paragraph and check our answers. My travels began on May 4th, 1699. I said goodbye to my wife and 2 children and set sail from Bristol as the ship's doctor bound for the South Seas. All went on well for the first few weeks. Then there was a bad storm and the ship was wrecked. 6 of the crew, of whom I was one, got into a little boat and began to row to an island nearby. Sometimes you feel this paragraph is somewhat difficult. තේරෙනවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ වගේ. But in the exam, if we are given a paragraph like this, don't be afraid. Read that slowly and find in these kind of paragraphs you will get 2 or 3 answers. You can find them easily. So first try to complete those blanks and there are 2 other answers. So you can guess and complete those 2. Then surely at least you can get 2 or 3 marks. So and the other thing is you have to read English storybooks, newspapers and all that. Then the paragraph, though the paragraph is difficult, you feel this is not difficult because you are familiar with the words and you save time. So please try to make it a habit to read something in English. ඔයාලට හිතේ මේ පැරග්‍රාෆ් එක අමාරුයි කියලා. ඉස්සෙල්ලම කියවද්දි. ඒ වුණාට ඔයාලට මේකෙන් උත්තර 2ක් හරි 3ක් හරි ලේසියෙන් පහසුවෙන් හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට ඉස්සෙල්ලා ඒ දෙක කරලා ඉන්න. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට ගෙස් කරලා දාන්න පුළුවන් මෙන්න මේ උත්තර වෙන්න ඕනේ මේ තැන් වල කියලා. ඒක අනිවාර්යෙන් ලකුණු 2ක් හරි ඔයාලට ගන්න පුළුවන්. And the other thing is you have to read books. පොත් කියවලා මේවට හුරු වෙන්න ඕනේ. විභාගෙදී අනිවාර්යෙන්ම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ වගේ පැරග්‍රාෆ්ස් හම්බ වෙනවා. ඒක පුරුද්දක් කරගෙන කියවීම ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරන්න.